What if I told you that becoming more attractive isn't all about looks, but about the daily habits that you have in your life? In this video, we will talk about 5 habits that are massively underrated, but have a huge impact on your attractiveness. And definitely stick around until the end because getting the hang of the last 2 ones can be life-changing. The first habit that will make you so much more attractive is when you can actively listen. When you're having a conversation, actively listening to someone's signals that you value their thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Feeling heard and understood is a basic human need, and being a good listener will fulfill these needs for others. It also requires putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing things from their perspective. Most of the time, when your girl is stressing about something, she's not asking for your opinion. She just wants you to listen. Actively listening to her will make her feel heard and understood, making her do everything for you instead of starting a discussion because you feel like you know everything better. Women are very emotional beings, and men think more logically instead of with our emotions, so keep this in mind and use it to your advantage to be more attractive to her. The second habit is taking initiative. Initiative is often associated with leadership qualities. When you take initiative, you demonstrate that you are proactive, decisive, and willing to take charge when necessary. These traits are highly valued in various aspects of life, including work, relationships, and personal development. You want to solve problems and find solutions instead of waiting for someone else to do it. So when a girl hits you with, "Where do you want to eat?" don't be that guy who says, "I don't know. What do you want to eat?" Be decisive and say something like, "I feel like eating some Italian tonight." This requires confidence in your abilities and decisions because she is counting on you to choose something good. The third habit is having a grooming routine. Taking care of your appearance with grooming practices can boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. When you look good, you often feel more confident and comfortable in your own skin, which will massively boost your attractiveness. By taking the time to take care of your appearance, you demonstrate that you value yourself and take pride in your personal presentation. It makes you so much more attractive when you have a fresh haircut, fresh breath, clean nails, and a clean face. Find some sort of routine that you can do every single day, because this will make it a habit and you will massively improve your appearance. The fourth one can be basic, but I feel like it's so underrated, and that's having good posture. Some men say they can't be attractive because they are too short. That's BS. It's probably just because of your body posture and your body language. This has so much more effect on your attractiveness than your height does. And by the way, when you have good posture, you will look taller as well. So you will kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Keep your chest open, put those shoulders backwards, and keep your arms relaxed because let's be real, who do you think is more attractive? The one on the left or the one on the right? I think we all know the answer. And the last one, and I think the one that did it for me, hit the gym. How is this underrated? It's underrated because you are still sitting there on that couch binge watching Netflix and YouTube, you lazy ass. Only 21% of men do some sort of exercise every single day. Almost 400 of you who are subscribed to this channel aren't doing so. Start moving and start building muscle. This will not only make you love yourself more, but it will also make you more attractive to other people. Once I started working out, I noticed such a difference in the attention and validation I got from women. So try to add this habit into your daily life. And those are the 5 massively underrated habits that you should add to your life to become more attractive. And definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date for the newest videos so you can start to become your best self.